All right, we're recording the sewer line here at 2312 2nd Avenue, Seattle, Washington. The date is June 25th, 2019. We're recording this from the cleanout in the basement where they cameraed from last time. It's near the recording studio area. I'm not sure which side of the building we're on now. Kind of lost my bearings. But we're recording from the cleanout down here. Right now, let's zero it out. We're over 130 feet down the line, so this is as far as I can push the camera out. Jetted past this. I jetted out to 150 feet, but this is as far as I get the camera out. So it's clean all the way back from here, but that's as far as I can see. So beyond this, I can't get the camera to push any farther out, 130 feet. So I'm going to pull back from here, record the line, and just show you what kind of shape the sewer's in. There were some small roots coming in at a section that looked like the pipe. See, there's a piece of root I cut out. So this is cast iron pipe we're in. This is a ton of cast iron. So you can see where our jetter hose is. That's a green hose there. So that was out considerably farther than where I was able to get the camera. I just wanted to clean out as much of the pipe as I could, even though I couldn't see what I was cleaning. So as you can see, the line's old cast iron. It's starting to get a little rough. Has the potential to catch some toilet paper and stuff. There are new products that don't require tearing it all out. Lining that'll smooth that out and make it so it won't catch toilet paper and cause clogs. There's a chunk of rust right there on the bottom of the pipe. That just builds up inside the pipe, and you can see it's kind of falling off the side. So there's just a big chunk of rust now in the line, right at that turn. Ideally, I think that's pretty thin. It's just going to wash down, but I just wanted to show you the condition. I mean, the inside of the pipe started to rust out. So that's the jetting, 120 feet out we got with the camera. Line's clean up to that point. All the water's flowing down, there's no clogs. Call that a day.